Hello, everyone. It's Preview Friday. I'm so excited. I am so excited. This is the advisor email that comes every Friday, so it's a sneak peek for you. We don't have a lot, it looks like, because there is a spring cleaning for advisors. I will show you that, even though it's only for advisors. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Monday, there's going to be a new notebook, CM notebook, in the National Scrap Day section. So again, this is another advisor dealy bobarooski, and I will show that to you if I can. So this is a very advisor heavy email, it looks like. However, there is free shipping going on right now. It will end March 7th. As long as the products in your order are $80 or more, you get free shipping. So let's look at, the rest is for advisors. Let's just look at real quick the inventory. So we have items in the last chance section are here. These items are going to go away. They are not returning. Take note. So this is what happens when they are out of stock. They're not coming back. These are gone forever. So to avoid that happening to you, check these items out in the last chance section on the website. There is out of stock. These items are returning because they just came out recently, so they want to give you a chance. So in March, the sea turtle punch is coming back. It's such an adorable punch. You have to have it. All kinds of cute things. Sun-soaked embellishments returning in April is the border slide reel border punch. The noteworthy days, some of those items are sold out, coming back in April. The jumbo tape runner that I talked about in last week's video will be returning in May, so be on the lookout for that. Look at this. The springtime soiree came out 5 days ago. Fast to Fab bundle is sold out. It's not returning. So if you like something at Creative Memories, order it as soon as possible, or you might actually miss out. Okay, let's take a look at the advisor-only spring cleaning section really quick. So if you're an advisor, you can get this easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you're not an advisor and you would like to purchase any of these items, please let me know, and it would be great if you could let me know by Monday, March 3rd, so that I can place that order for you. Just let me know. These are the prices here. Just tell me the name. You can pause the video, write down the name of what you want and the price in case you need to know the price. Quickly, Monday for sure, because these are going to sell out for sure. This is a shimmer. It's like a metallic without glitter going all over your house. It's a very nice, subtle, a very nice, subtle shimmer. Same with this aquamarine. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's a shimmer, metallic, kind of beautiful, light paper, cardstock, but it doesn't get stuff all over your house. Glitter is the herpes of crafts. So as we all know, we stay away from the glitter, unless you're into that. But these do not bleed all over your house, so that's nice. All of these, advisor only. Please let me know if there's anything here that you see that you must have. Okay, cute bags, Christmas card kit, this little bag, that's adorable. This stamp, I have to have this. Handmade with love. This is just a little silly sponge. You can have it in your kitchen during your crops or your bathroom, whatever. This keychain's really cute. It's our mail keychain because my car doesn't have a key. It's my phone. So I use it for my mail key. We're running out, like we're not using keys on anything anymore. Okay, and then let's take a look at the website. So remember, there's free shipping on orders over $80 until March 7th. So you will get free shipping if you order through me on the website. You will also get free shipping if you wanted any of these advisor only items, but I need to know by Monday, March 3rd. Okay, so on the website, here's Springtime Soiree. Now the Fast to Fab album sold out and it's not coming back. So I have a feeling that these items are going to sell out very quickly. They're gorgeous. They are gorgeous, and you can use them for Easter Sunday. You can use them for Mother's Day. You can use them for little garden parties, birthday parties, church gatherings, tea. There's so many photos I can think of that go with Springtime Soiree collection. So jump on it. These are the watering cans and the flower pots, border punch, and things that we looked at last week. There's nothing new that's coming out Monday. The new is last week's advisor email, or last week's advisor video. If you want to watch that, I go through everything that's new. And again, they're going to sell out. It's also free shipping. So I highly recommend that you jump on it. So just so much good stuff right now. Okay, I know I'm scrolling really super fast. So what else do I want to show you? I think that's it, you guys. If you wanted to get a National Scrapbook Day, collection or bundle, now's the time. It's only $50 and you get everything. Oh my word, plus you get a booklet of ideas. So that's amazing. You can also add on this little border punch to coordinate. And this is the old National Scrapbook Day from 2024. But this is the new stuff here. So you can get like a little paper album. You can just do a little project recipe kit. You can do the whole bundle. You can add the album. You can add the punch. Blah, 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 blah. So check it out. Get shopping. Let me know if you have any questions. I have a new layout video coming to you tomorrow, Saturday, March 1st. So don't forget to check that out. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to choose me as your advisor. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching.